Today, we're going to dive into the world of Orlando water parks, where fun and excitement await you. So, let's get started. Orlando, Florida is known for its theme parks and attractions. But did you know that it's also home to some of the best water parks in the country? From thrilling water rides to relaxing pools, these parks offer something for everyone in the family. First up, we have Aquatica, a SeaWorld-owned park that features a wide variety of water rides, including the thrilling Typhoon Breakaway Falls, the fast-paced Dolphin Plunge, and the family-friendly Loggerhead Lane. Aquatica also boasts a variety of pools, including the peaceful Serenity Bay and the exciting Walkabout Waters. Next, we have Disney's Typhoon Lagoon, a park that's been around since 1989 and is home to the world's largest wave pool. The park also features a variety of water slides, including the family-friendly Gangplank Falls and the thrilling Storm Slides. Typhoon Lagoon is also known for its unique attractions, such as the Shark Reef and the Surf Pool. For those looking for a more laid-back experience, Disney's Blizzard Beach is the perfect choice. This park features a variety of water slides, including the family-friendly Teamboat Springs and the thrilling Summit Plummet. Blizzard Beach is also home to the world's first ski-themed water park, with attractions like the Chairlift and the Ski Patrol training camp. Last but not least, we have Universal's Volcano Bay, a park that's been around since 2017 and features a variety of water rides, including the thrilling Krakatau Aquacoaster and the family-friendly Kapiko YY. Volcano Bay is also home to the world's first water coaster, the Kokikiri Body Plunge. So there you have it, folks. Orlando's water parks are a must-visit for any thrill-seeker or family looking for some fun in the sun. Whether you're looking for adrenaline-pumping rides or a relaxing day by the pool, these parks have got you covered. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!